Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a 9/16 project and importing your best vertical clips. This ensures framing fits the short format. Once imported, arrange the clips on the timeline and set the sequence to 30 FPS so motion stays smooth. Trim rough cuts now. Make sure each clip communicates one idea and keep the total under 60 seconds. While trimming, mark beats for cuts, because planning beats saves time during edits and keeps pace tight for mobile viewers. You should perform precise cuts on audio beats to maintain energy. Use ripple delete to keep the timeline compact. Then apply speed ramps and subtle zooms to emphasize actions, and add motion blur for natural results. These techniques draw attention on small screens. Once visuals are set, mix audio. Lower background music with ducking, boost dialogue or voiceover, and place punchy SFX for transitions. Make sure to preview at mobile scale, so every element reads clearly on phones. You finalize by exporting H.264 at 1080 by 1920 with an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate to preserve quality without huge files. Once exported, verify orientation, duration, and file name with keywords so platforms detect it properly. Upload and add a strong thumbnail and caption. If you see compression artifacts or audio clipping, re-export at a higher bitrate or replace any low-quality source clip. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues and prevents platform recompression from wrecking your short.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.